Boating and watercraft are near and dear to my heart, having grown up in Brevard County and being on the water a good part of my life. I love these hobbies. I love these sports. Unfortunately, many people are injured during these activities. It is important to have an attorney that can lead you through the landmines in the maritime law. This is especially important when you consider the fact that we have federal law in Brevard County and state law as well that governs these types of cases. For instance, the cruise ships that go out of Port Canaveral. If you are injured on a cruise ship, you can file perhaps in state court, but you may be required to file in federal court. It depends on what the ticket says, and be aware, a word of advice. There is a 1-year statute of limitations written into the ticket, and it is enforceable. These tickets also have jurisdictional requirements. In short, you need an attorney with a lot of experience in the maritime area to avoid the landmines, and these are sea landmines, no pun intended. With regard to jet skis, boating on our rivers, on our lakes, on our intracoastal waterway, these too are subject to both state law and the federal law. If you are on the intracoastal waterway, an injury claim would be governed by federal law. If you are on a landlocked lake, the injury claim is governed by state law. The important differences should be known by your attorney. Boating is fun, scuba diving is fun, water skiing is fun. My family and I enjoy them all. But if you are hurt due to the negligence of another, you need an attorney with the ability to navigate the complex law and obtain the recovery to which you are entitled.